Okay, good afternoon. So let's continue our discussion of the IT or programming subject. So this time we'll be angling into the evaluation, object-oriented programming evaluation. So evaluation of the OO programming suitability. So when to use when to use object-oriented? A good question. Okay, ideal for complex systems. So object-oriented is not for small program. You cannot see the vitality or the flexibility in a small program. It should be in a system program. Uh, then best suited for modularity. That means one part of the program that are doing something else. We call it object, and then you can use it in many ways. For example, if you have a project. Another thing is reusability. Once it is an object, it can be used in many ways. Scalability are required. So large. So example, building a hospital management system with modules for patients. So that's one program. Staff, one program. Inventory, one program. And appointments. And then they can be combined into one system. Can you see the beauty of this one? Divide and conquer. So healthcare, logistics, education, and finance. So in many businesses, these are useful. In volume of code, that means a large program. Example, have you seen Windows 95 lines of code? There are 45 million lines. So if this will not be put into a modular, it's very hard to maintain. So with all benefits, a large code basis of simplifies code management through modularization. That means one big program, that can be managed by some group, and then you can use them when you need them. You just get them, no? And then pass a message, and then it does what you wanted them to do, just like that. So it's like a toolkit, no? So enables the easier navigation. So easy to because you can abstract. For example, 1 million lines, you can represent them in one line. Can you see that? How terrible. So testing, very easy to test because we can test it by module. Not unlike before, when we compile the program, the entire program. Remember during the time of Turbo C, Borland. So very tedious, very takes time, no? And then and reuse. This is the hidden secret of this uh, code, no? Object oriented. Example, an e-commerce platform like Amazon with thousands of lines of code for user accounts, payments, recommendation. So you see, if not in object-oriented, this is a very messy, too much error, no? And hard to decipher, especially when you change the player. So very difficult. Enterprise software like SAP, multi-service apps, na? SAP is one of the best, na? And then evaluating in multiple work stream of benefit enables parallel development. That means different group, no? Just like what when they did in the Windows 95 during the early 90s, no? Done by separate group. So development by separating logic into independent classes modules, no? So that is reduce conflict, improves collaboration. Collaboration means uh, advantage, no? Example in mobile banking, they do it exactly. One team works on the authentication module, another works on transaction and ATC. So that can be a leverage into individual. And the development time is facilitated or shortened. Then agile development. So agile means more than flexible. No? Microservices, modular, and app development. There are many agile software techniques, by the way, in object-oriented. Project size of suitability, particularly effective in medium to large scale projects. For example, system, corporate, banking. So help manage complexity through inheritance and abstraction. Small project can be also, no? So maybe overlooked, so you will not feel the advantage of the object-oriented. Example, good fit airline search evaluation system, not ideal, simple calculator script. No? But you can, in the earlier years of when Java came out, so they use it as an applets, calculator, a clock, no? And then pass that class into HTML, and then you will view them. No? But that is not the real application. Okay, the plan. So when Gosling uh, conceived it, no? Gosling is the creator, no? James Gosling. Government portals, inventory management system, large scale simulation. So change cycle of benefit system with frequent updates, benefits from OOPS, modularity, and encapsulation. That means protect. Now, changes are isolated to individual components. No problem. By the way, I'm speaking on the language of the object-oriented. Updating a pricing algorithms in a ride-sharing app like Uber. Only the pricing class needs changes, not the whole system. Can you see? So easier to maintain. No? On the owner, it's very easy. Very cool. No? Example, SaaS sa company platform. Dynamic pricing system, fintech solution. So in summary, so we have the factor situation of evaluation, expert system complex. Example, hospital. Application, healthcare, enterprise solution. Volume of code handles large code bases. E-commerce platform, financial retail. So we're talking about example and application. So project sa example, airline system, ERP, CRM. No? We have the example and application. So the evaluations there is suitable for medium to large projects, overhead for very small ones. Change cycle, excellence for system that evolve or update frequently. So ride sharing, pricing. So that is the example and application. SaaS logistics fintech. No? So financial technique. No? So in the stocks, in the equity. Logistics, for example, Amazon and other similar company. Okay, that's all for this segment of evaluation of the object-oriented programming. So we'll move on to another segment. Stay tuned. Bye for now. Thank you for having me.